How to create YouTube channel. Creating your own YouTube channel gives you a platform to share your passions, knowledge, creativity, or even just your everyday life with a global audience. And it can also open up opportunities for community building and even income generation through content creation. So this is how we are going to do it. This is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial, so follow along. We're going to open youtube.com, and from here you're just going to log in with your Gmail account. So here's mine. And then under here you will be able to see create a channel. So you're just going to click that one. Now after clicking on that, you will be able to see this one. So you will be able to decide your name. So this is going to be mine. It's called Vladimir Shakib, and as well as the handle, or this is going to be the one that is going to appear right after your name. I'm going to add here official. So it's going to be at Vladimir Shakib official. Now after that, you can also click this one in order to add your own picture. So I'm just going to try to add something here. I'm going to click done. All right, and there you go. So that is how I am going to appear. Now I'm going to just zoom this out. There you go. I can see create channel. I'm going to click that one. There you go. Congratulations. Now you're able to create your own YouTube channel. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.